Good morning, third graders. Let's begin our Fundations lesson by doing our large sound cards. Echo me, please. E-I-G-H 8-A. O-R worm A Alaska I-G-H light I. U-I suit U. E-I ceiling E. T-I-O-N vacation shun. And S-I-O-N mansion jun. Okay, let's review our new sound card that we introduced yesterday, and it's the PH sound. The PH is a digraph that makes the F sound. So we have PH, phone, F. Okay, our words today are also going to have that digraph, the PH sound in it. So go ahead, let's work on our first word. Our first word is alphabet. We have alphabet. Okay, we have 3 syllables. The first syllable is al. Second syllable is we're going to have a schwa there, and the last syllable is b-at. Let's write it on our board. We have alphabet. Okay, let's mark it up. We have 3 syllables, so we have alphabet are our 3 syllables. Our first syllable is a short A with a closed consonant at the end, so we have a closed syllable. The next syllable, notice our PH is here, so that is making the sound of an F. We want to mark that. And this A is not saying A, it's making the sound. So we have a schwa here, which makes this an open syllable exception. And then our last syllable, be'et, we have a short E with a consonant followed by a consonant, so it's a closed syllable. Our next word, we have atmosphere. Atmosphere. Okay, we have 3 syllables. The first syllable is at. The second syllable is ma. The last syllable is ear, and then we have a silent final E. So atmosphere. Let's mark it on our boards. We have atmosphere. Sorry, I'm going to put that there. Okay, our 3 syllables, we have at, ma, and then sphere is our last syllable. Our first syllable, we have a short A followed by a consonant, so that's a closed syllable. We have ma, this is making the sound, not the O sound, so this is a schwa. So this makes this an open syllable exception. And our last syllable, we have sphere, we have the PH, so we want to underline that first. That's making the F sound. We have this silent final E is making the E say its name. So this is a vowel consonant E word. Our next word, we have triumph. Triumph. It's 2 syllables. The first syllable is I. The second syllable is f. Let's write it on our board first. And then we'll mark it up. So we have I and then triumph. Okay, let's divide our syllables. We have try and then Let's look at our first syllable. We have a blend here. The T and R is a blend. And then we have the I says I. So this is an open syllable. Our second syllable, we have a short U sound. And then we also notice we have our new digraph, PH, which makes the F sound, so we want to mark that. Okay, this is going to be a closed syllable because we have a short vowel and it's closed off with a consonant sound. So this is a closed syllable. Our next word is pamphlet. Pamphlet, 2 syllables. The first syllable is am. The second syllable is f-l-at. Okay, let's write it down. We have am is our first syllable. Our second syllable is at. Okay, let's divide our word. We have first syllable, second syllable. Our first syllable, notice we have a short A sound followed by a consonant. So this is a closed syllable. Our next syllable, notice it starts with our PH digraph. So we're going to underline that and then mark it as the F because it's making the F sound. We have a short E here, a short E sound, and it's closed with a consonant, so this is a closed syllable. Our last word today, we have phony. Phony. Okay, it's 2 syllables. The first syllable, we have O. The second syllable we have n-e. We're going to use Y baby E on that last sound. Okay, so we have O and then E. Let's divide our syllables. We have 1, 2. Okay, our first syllable, notice we have the PH, so we're going to underline that, put the F here. We have the long O sound, so we want to mark that, and we have an open syllable. Okay, our second syllable, we have E. This is Y, baby, E. So we want to mark above the Y our E with the long vowel sound because it's making the E sound. And this also is an open syllable. All right, make sure you mark up your words on your papers and write your sentences. If you have any questions, let me know.